The lonely tree. Once upon a time, in a vast and bustling forest, there stood a lonely tree. The tree was unlike any other in the forest, as it was the only one of its kind. For years, the tree had stood tall and strong, but it couldn't help feeling isolated and lonely without any companions. The tree longed for friends to share its branches with and birds to sing to. One day, a group of birds landed on the tree's branches. They had never seen a tree like this before and were amazed by its beauty. The tree was overjoyed and welcomed the birds with open arms. As time passed, more and more animals came to the tree to seek its shade and shelter. The tree was no longer lonely but was now the heart of the forest, loved and cherished by all. And so, the lonely tree discovered that true friendship and happiness can be found in the most unexpected places.